Tandega. Yo, please make some noise for Tandega. Hello.
Hello.
How would I say hello if I was in Italy?
Ciao, come stai?
Ciao, come stai, Tandega?
Buonasera.
All right. You know what? I just gotta credit you for picking yourself up, and that's what you need to do, right? First, let's talk about what made you go overseas.
I love adventure. I love challenging myself in a meaningful way. I wanted to learn a new language instead of going to the USA, UK. I chose Italy. It's warmer. I live in Sicily, which is the south of Italy, so
Love it. When challenge yourself inside the house.